I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by unlocking the phone and landing on the home screen that shows App Vault. This is where you act. Long press a blank area until the screen zooms out and options appear. You'll see Home Settings or a gear icon. Tap that. Once done, make sure you're in the correct launcher settings rather than app settings, because disabling App Vault happens at the home configuration level, not inside individual app menus. Now find the App Vault entry, sometimes labeled Home Screen Cards or Quick Pages, so you can control that panel. You tap the toggle to turn App Vault off. If a confirmation pops up, accept it. Once disabled, you should swipe left to verify that the App Vault page is gone. Also, make sure any related settings like gestures or shortcuts that reactivate it are turned off, because those can re-enable the panel if left unchanged. Finish by returning to the home and swiping left to confirm App Vault is removed. If it persists, restart the device and check again. If restarting doesn't help, go to Settings Apps, Show System Apps, find the launcher, and clear cache or update MIUI. This often resolves stuck UI states. As a last resort, switch to a different launcher or reset the home layout, but back up your setup first so you can restore icons and folders without extra hassle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.